If you want to create the videos without shooting the videos, then this video is very useful for you. So recently Google just released Google Flow, and inside we have the avatars. Also tested it in multiple ways, and here are the results as you can see.
Let me show you how I created this character using Google Flow. You don't need an expensive setup to create amazing videos. Use to create amazing videos.
So stick into this amazing video. I will show you the step-by-step process how you can create your own custom avatar. So let's get started. Right, so just go on the Google Flow. So you can use the description link. Also you can search on Google, googleflow.com, then you will land it up on this particular page. So now you can see, just click on this new project. So as we are creating our own custom model, custom avatar, then just open a new project. So now you can see this character. This is really interesting. Here you can describe your character. If you don't want to reveal your identity, you can describe and create a custom character by your own. But if you want your only custom character, then click on this upload, and here you can select any image you have. So I'm selecting a photo of mine. I'm just selecting it. So now you can see it is open completely different page. So now here I can describe my character, a creative designer. It's completely optional. So now we need to select the voice of our. So here you need to select a base voice. So just click on a custom voice. Now you can provide the name, like I'm providing my name, so voice, and you can also do the performance and just click on save new voice. Okay, and here you need to select a base voice. So suppose I'm selecting this one, and just click on save new voice. So it will use this voice and your photo as a model and create content around it. So if you are creating content first time, then people don't care about your voice. So if you are already creating content, then I will suggest you to use 11 labs to generate and create your custom model and train it on your custom voice, and then you can generate and plug it. So now clicking on add to character. So now I have the voice, my model is ready. Now I can create any kind of content you like. Okay, so I'm providing that.
We're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a.
Okay, so now you can see everything is good. So I can just go back, and here you can see I have the character. So what I can do, I can just put this character here, and now I can try some of the prompt. You can see I can just put and add this. Also I will select this video integrated. Also I'm creating vertical content, then I will select this one. Also the Omni Flash work with the model, so I can just send it, and now it will generate the video by using my own character, also the voice which I selected. So as you can see, my video is ready. I will just play it. It's very close to the actual my face. So you can.
Let me show you how I created this character using Google Flow.
Okay, so now you can adjust it, trim it, and use it in your content creation progress. Now I will create another a little bit complex. Here I can describe the scene, entire scene. So you can see I will just here I will add the character. Okay, now I'll paste my script. Sitting inside a creative studio setup, talking to the camera and saying you don't need an expensive setup to create amazing videos. Okay, so I will just send it, and it will create again. You can see everything is very close. The DJI mic I have plugged here in this, also the character which I provided for a reference image also here, and the output also having the DJI mic. So it is very close. If you are creating content and if you are providing the valuable content, people don't care about the voice. They just focus on the personality which you develop. So that's really cool stuff. You can just start with a zero cost. So in this way you can also create your own custom character inside the Google Flow and create n number of content on any kind of a style. You can test your wide idea, create a custom AI influencer page, and just like that you can test it, creative things, and follow me for more amazing creative stuff. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to check out the more amazing stuff about the Google Flow, then watch this video I've already created. So don't forget to miss this.